Hello, in front of me I've got Parkside Shredder. In this video I'll show you how to replace blades. In the beginning, unscrew this red screw here. This is the housing lock. Once it's unscrewed, remove this key and remove the whole top. Once the housing is removed, take a look at the front of the shredder. Blades are located right here. In order to access them, we have to remove this plastic part and then this metal part right here. So 6 screws here and 6 screws here. Next, once everything is removed, we've got access to blades. Use this part of the key to unscrew blades, and then you can remove them. Once blades are removed, you can grind them or you can replace them. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.